In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do an overhead tricep extension with one arm whilst being on a Swiss ball. So firstly, get yourself in the middle of the Swiss ball and you want to be making sure that you've got your feet at hip width apart. Now, when it comes to the dumbbell, let's say, for example, you've got a light dumbbell, you can get away with keeping a straight back and picking it up. If you've got a really heavy dumbbell, what I would do is I'd pick the weight up first. So I'd come into a nice deadlift position, pick the weight up, pop it on the knee that I'm going to be working. So in this example, I'll work my right side and then I'm in position. Now what I want to do is get the weight above my head. So I'm going to come into a position where the elbow lifts up. I'm going to press the weight directly up. And then in this position, what I want you to do is bend the elbow only. So not the shoulder, we're not doing everything with the shoulder joint, it's just the elbow coming down and back up. You'll have, because the weight is coming behind you, a little bit of core and lower back working as well. So don't be afraid if you do feel the core and lower back activate during the exercise. Now let me show you side on so you can get a better view. So once I've got my position, I'm going to bring this dumbbell up to my shoulder. I press directly up, keeping the elbow in. And then from here, watch as just the elbow bends and comes back up. Just the elbow bends and comes back up. Once you've done your desired amount of repetitions, let's say this is my last repetition, I'm going to bring it back up, down, and then to my knee. So I've safely brought it down to that start position. That's how you do a single arm overhead tricep extension on a Swiss ball. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.